If you are locked out of your iPhone and can't remember passcode or your phone is disabled, the smartest thing is to go into recovery mode. So, how to put iPhone into recovery mode? What to do if iPhone won't go to recovery mode? In this video, I will show you how to do it. First, see how to enter recovery mode correctly by yourself. For iPhone 8 and later, press and release the volume up and down button quickly, and holding up the side button until you see the computer logo. Don't release the side button when you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 7 and earlier, press the power button and holding the volume down button at the same time. Then release the power button for 3 seconds. Release the volume down button when you see the computer logo. Needs to connect iPhone with PC in the procession. That's it, your iPhone 7 is in recovery mode. If you cannot enter into recovery mode manually, then you can use iMyFonefixppo to help for free. See how to do it. Download and open the iMyFonefixppo on your PC and click the Enter/Exit Recovery Mode option. Then connect iPhone with PC and click the Next button. Then click on the Enter Recovery Mode button on the screen. Ta-da! Your iPhone is on the recovery mode now. It's very easy, right? A part of that, iMyFonefixppo can help you fix many iOS issues, such as fix iPhone stuck on SOS mode, reset disabled iPhone without passcode, fix iPhone screen recording not working, etc. If you want to try with this tool, click the link on the description right now. You can also click the subscribe button to get the newest information on our channel.